Dr. Holt.
There's good news tonight out of Virginia. When the pandemic shut down libraries there, folks got creative, really creative. Here's NBC's Kevin Tippett.
Look, up in the sky. It's a bird. It's a plane. It's a book. Yes, here in Montgomery County, Virginia, the middle school library is beating the pandemic by delivering books to kids with a drone. 10-year-old Camden Robertson couldn't believe his eyes.
I was like bouncing off the walls, crazy excited.
Making sure kids get their summer reading is the brainchild of middle school librarian Kelly Pasick, and it's free.
I've seen lots and lots of smiles from happy kids with their books. So it is certainly exciting to get a package from the drone. And then when you open the package and you've got the book that you've been waiting to read or that you have asked for and it comes right to your house, that's really an exciting time.
The school board partnered with the parent company of Google to deliver the books, which arrive by airmail, literally. Camden received John Grisham's Theodore Boone Kid Lawyer. To participate, kids can order the books online. Some 600 students in the Christiansburg, Virginia area are eligible. Camden's mom got him and his brother involved.
She told me, hey, do you want to get a book delivered by a drone? And I'm like, heck yeah.
Camden's just happy he's got bragging rights on his street.
I've been telling my friends, oh yeah, I'm the first person in the world.
Wing is the name of the drone service, the first to receive permission to deliver packages by air in the United States. They're also doing it in Finland and Australia. And hey, if they can deliver books, maybe they can deliver other things too.
What are you going to do when they start delivering your homework by drone?
Oh. I don't know.
Maybe you'll be hiding under your bed that day.
Kevin Tibbles, NBC News, Chicago.